Nigeria finally land one bronze medal as the 2019 World Athletics Championship closed shop inside Doha, Qatar. Home-based Eagles continued their Mowo form as Cape Verde beat them on top penalties for Waffle Cup action, and we'll talk about how the games still go down around Europe last weekend. Terrible week. Salutation as join us for Monday edition of Sports Yarn on Top Niger FM 102.7. My name is Labode Bruno. Tourist 79 they come next after this small break on Touch Radio. Monday package of Sports and on Top Niger FM 102.7. Time to watch our tourist segment this fine Monday morning. Then we'll go there with all the latest gist.
That's where we start with athletics, where all die na die as Ese Brume make sure say Team Nigeria no leave Doha, venue of the World Athletics Championship, empty-handed after she colored the bronze medal for the long jump event on Sunday. The 23-year-old lift distance of 6.91 meters, her second longest career jump to win bronze medal as Germany Malaika Mihabo claimed gold and USA Kenyatta Hawkworth Bake silver. Other Nigerian Toby Amusan fall hand for the 100 meters hurdle event after the reigning Commonwealth champion carried fourth for the final. Meanwhile, Ogbonge names like Divine Oduduru, Raymond Ekwevo, Blessing Okagbari, no Bake anything for the Erima and Oshari fall by 100 meters relay team as them crash out come out for the event. We go enter the UFC now. This one a kickboxing. Niger fighter Israel Adesanya don't do correct sort work to take knockout Australian Bobo Robert Whittaker to become the undisputed middleweight boxing champion for the world on Sunday morning. 30-year-old Bobo, where him Pale Amale been there outside of the Octagon Arena. They hail him, brush Whittaker for the second round of the UFC 243 for the Marvel Stadium for Melbourne, Australia. With this win, Adesanya don't extend in winning run to 18 straight win for front of the UFC world record crowd of 57,127 as he passed the former record of 56,214 for the same venue. We'll go enter tennis now, where world number one Novak Djokovic discharged John Millman to take back his first ever Japan Open title on Sunday. His 10-time Grand Slam champion drawn for 69 minutes to take win 3-6, 6-2 as he no drop any single set for the competition. For other places, world number 5 Dominic Thiem overpower Stefanos Tsitsipas for the China Open final. Thiem win with 2 hours 13 minutes as he knocked Tsitsipas 3-6, 6-4, 6-1 for Beijing. Still for China, but for the Rima level, Naomi Osaka win her second straight WTA title after she come from one set down to take flog world number 1 Ashley Barty for the final 3-6, 6-3, 2-6 for match will last 1 hour 50 minutes.
All right, thank you very much, Daniel. Once again, congratulations to Ese Brume, bronze medal for the 2019 World Athletics Championship, and for Adesanya. Yes, easy. Israel Adesanya, a good one as concerned UFC. At least not get 2 Nigeria with the rep for that particular level. World champions. So maybe Mr. will begin train hard to go begin fight UFC. But it's my pot belly.
But we are happy for Ese Brume. I told us on 9 back pass. You know.
Okay.
The likes of Okagbari and the rest don't give us anything. But
okay, another small break now. When we come back, we'll enter Niger Sports and no touch radio. The show now still Sports Yarn on Top Niger FM 102.7 at Sports Vision NG, Naibu Twitter handle. If you never begin, follow us. But once again, most importantly, subscribe to YouTube channel Sports Vision NG. And in case you miss this show or you would like hear everything all over again, just don't stress yourself. Just enter YouTube Sports Vision NG and you will see all the video for there. But right now we'll enter all the latest gist inside the Niger Sports and Bolo Money. Day here. I know so you get gist on top with home-based Eagles. Super Falcons will play Ivory Coast for second leg as concerned the 2020 qualifiers today. Also, Lagos Open Self, day ground. Ebolo, where you want to start from this morning?
Well, I don't even know because Turkey too plenty for. Okay, we'll start from.
We'll start with the national teams.
Okay, national team. We'll start from Super Falcons. Don't forget that they played the first leg last week and they play last week at Friday and Thursday. Now goalless they play. Now they go play today for inside Gege Stadium. Now must win. Nothing like draw. They must win this game. Remember, say when they play first leg against Algeria, where they win conveniently with home-based players 2-0. They come with all these Obodo Imo players, but they struggle to win one. Now just within a moment of genius from Oshoala. And they using this time around now. They must win this one because that was the second leg for last game. If they play draw, they still qualify. But this one draw, no they carry, especially if not score draw. I would love it. So this one they must win. But they don't even come back on Ngozi Iberi. The Marcelo for inside the squad join the team. Well, and the big question now, why they not call her for the first leg?
Maybe she been get one job.
Well, she recover within 2-3 days. But this one they must win now by force. And you don't talk about I don't even know. I don't confused, but even NFF confused. with the home base waffle team. Because some they say now under 23, something na home base, something na combination of the two. Say majority na under 23.
But the Coco be say none of them play outside.
None of them they play outside Nigeria. And then to keep back we can't lose, but we play draw, can't go lose for penalty. Like people go talk, country will not get league. But now still like learning process. Now,
if you look at that, even that Cape Verde team, we go Nations Cup. Almost 90%.
All of them are home base now.
They're home base now. So now
just
just carry bulk of that team. Play game. Sharp players who never play competitive football for like 6 months.
Don't forget, say no be even all of them play the Super 6. So some of those who don't finish before Super 6, you don't take. And I remember say Kano Pillars coach don dey para say he reach carry second, still win cup. Despite that, they don't say carry player from his squad. And I still all this RNG with it. Now remember, I think we talk about top Bishop say the Olympic 2020, but I no go shock him as Alice go coach team go.
God bless you.
Like play now, Mama don't dey push himself. Under 23 AFCON go start now. The group where we dey with South Africa, Ivory Coast, and Zambia. Those ones don't they make one. And our top 3, it means say they must win semi-final at least. Reach semi-final, come win to get chance say if they go Olympic. Because if anything happen again, everybody see they come back on top Imama Mata. Make a shift come on, they go on top Super Eagles. They don't call 2 players join the team to replace one job player. For Omero, you know carry with you, so they replace him with Tyrone Eboue. Like I tell some guys, I hope they no go break anything this time around. But the one way don't raise question mark now on a person who they use to replace Samuel Kalu. The name now Efosa Solomon Otabo. But the guess where they play? Bulgaria. Guess how many career goals he gets? 9. Okay. In over 100 appearances. Guess how many he don't score this season? 0.
It's the future.
Make I don't fight this morning. It's too early.
Not big fight.
Early Monday morning. And
man, give me Guinness number.
I go down block myself.
Go down.
And but still on top of this matter of this athletics palava way happen. They don't give this guy sanction. I say, query, you must explain all the mago way happen, all the kasala way happen. Sport ministry don't give the technical director of AFN Sunday Adele say you must come answer query. Everything, all those, especially the Okagbari with the Drew matter. But before I carry my load, come up from inside studio, Lagos Open.
It will start today.
It will start today. Then the main draw now tomorrow, and we expect to see some. Even I like what they do. Some young Nigerian guys. All those ones don't collect wild card. The old ones we don't grow small. Some of them still get wild card, but now go still play 2 qualifiers. They will gas also.
Supposed to give them caution. All those old ones caution card.
No, we don't want. Make them also there. Sylvester Emmanuel, Thomas Otu, Mohamed. All of them are in the lead line for people who we feel say supposed enter inside the competition. But for the babes, now Sarah, they go keep Blessing Samuel. I know I Busi. Now those ones they lead for the babe, but the small pickings or the junior level we don't get wild card. Quadri did there, Bayomi Phillips, they among them. There's several other players safe. We go collect wild card. I like as I want to because not be all these Nigerians we trust say go qualify through the right process, but at least some don't the wild card. It's just say bad as bad. Nigerians go the main draws. The competition itself will start to the like with, but the main draws for the competition proper. Now tomorrow it go start. Don't forget the prize money. 100K, and I go talk with her and talk again. I wish that me feel the first
100,000.
Dollars, so no be naira.
I don't know. It should not be money.
All of them go share, no be only.
That's why I thought if you don't put the dollars, Benjamin Franklin, you don't put them on the back.
Now me, I wish to win first to last.
First to last.
So
now great go purge you.
No, I go hustle and I kiss my wrist.
All right, thank you very much, Bolu. And even the 2019 Swan Concert will start today.
Those ones.
Even though say today, this year we just give them, make them enjoy themselves. We'll be back stronger and better next year. Kings Lakpa don't join me now. Hey, John Dia. Boy, just like professor this morning.
Brothers, stock welly
for life.
So, what be God doing?
For life. All right, time for Igbo Football Talk. Now, that's the voice of Kingsley Akpan. And Kingsley, some kind shock result around
not be some kind everywhere coupon boss.
I thought say some kind shock result.
Some for we every all the league e dey.
You know say if Man you lose these days, no surprise you.
City lose.
Now you don't see some kind. If you can't do buy away lose for house
again. Buy lose again.
You know, maybe Atletico seven go draw.
I see that everywhere. E dey everywhere.
Okay. More sharply enter the action. I take up on last weekend. For inside league, PSG first round beat Angers. Montpellier beat Monaco 3-1. Saint-Etienne 1-0 over Lyon. Leo 2-2 against them names and produce their own Victor Osimhen. Nice scored the equalizer.
Lille supposed even win that game.
And Nantes beat Nice 1-0 for inside Bundesliga. Frankfurt 2-2 with Werder Bremen. Schalke for play 1-1 with Cologne. Leverkusen himself 1-1 against Leipzig. Freiburg play 2-2 with Dortmund. And the shock results: Hoffenheim 2, Bayern 1 away from house.
How you go score 7 for a White Hart League?
They say they celebrate the 7 goals in the score.
They come beat you for your own backyard. And I don't understand.
It happened.
Nobody knows supposed to happen. You know, if you see Barcelona now, they win for midweek. They come their house again, beat Sevilla well. Bayern too supposed to do the same thing.
Kingsley,
Beat Hoffenheim.
not shock you see before and after international break, you always get strange results.
E dey. E be like say I no go dey do
Prediction.
before international break and after I just say I dey leave.
Maybe before and after. Maybe the bankers will do that.
Just
Upset
goals.
bankers. Upset bankers.
Just do goals. Just play
Goals.
goals. No be say because e dey surprising, but and I forget to I mention for inside that league on the Nantes goal. Na our own Moses Simon bin score that the only goal for that game, and like we talk, Peter Osimhen also score for you. So good one for Nigerian players. And for Germany, I shock. If you check German Bundesliga and if you check table, na Borussia Mönchengladbach dey number 1, and you go look for
Mönchengladbach don start the season well.
you go look for the league wey get Bayern, wey get Dortmund, wey get RB Leipzig,
They'll still find a position.
Okay, we'll see as they go for inside Serie A, but the biggest match for the whole of Europe, as we mentioned on Friday,
Interesting game.
Now Inter and Juventus, and e no disappoint at all. E no disappoint. Even though say Roma play 1-1 with Cagliari for their backyard, I no expect that result. Genoa AC Milan beat Genoa away from home. I been believe say at least maybe Genoa go fit pick something. Fiorentina also they beat Udinese 1-0. Torino and Napoli, I no understand how this might take finish 0-0 with all the kind of attackers wey the two teams get. Then Belotti and co, and for Insigne, Llorente, all the Mertens, they no fit score any goal for inside this one. For Inter Juve, like I mentioned before, Sarri, Sarri don't understand this team. Plenty people been mention say Sarri no fit play Higuain, Ronaldo and Dybala together. But we see am yesterday, say when he need am, he do am. Although he no too take wey he do am, as he get the goal wey he need, he just comot Dybala back and put Bernardeschi. Put Bernardeschi. But for Inter Milan and Juve, but we mention am say if Inter fit beat Juve as they dey top the league, so then we fit say okay, maybe this season Serie A could go Milan. But Juventus don show say if una like, una get 20 matches winning streak. When we meet una, we show una say na we still be Baba. And for that Italy, as e don be so, Juve don dey top. And when Juve top like that, but they dey difficult make them comot Juve. But more mention am say one key thing wey affect the match na Stefano Sensi.
That one sure.
That boy, I no expect say at this period na him go dey control things for Antonio Conte Inter Milan, because e be like say na him be the glue wey make that team gel. As him comot wey Vecino enter, e no too click as suppose click, and you can't look the kind of midfielders wey Juventus get, Matuidi, Pjanic, Khedira, before they even come bring Emre Can, and Dybala sef dey the hole between Ronaldo and Higuain when they been put Higuain. Good one for Juve, even with all the wounds wey dem get for defense. You look say that their defense, plenty wounds dey dem, Chiellini and co, wey they even dey play Cuadrado as right back. They see the top series, so na good one for them. For inside La Liga, Barcelona 4-0 against Sevilla. I don't know wetin Julen Lopetegui do Barcelona. We be say anytime we dem hold am home or away, we be Barca. Na plenty goals. He chop 4 again yesterday. Maybe anytime we wan play Barcelona, na make the form sickness, making assistant manager carry the team whether they go see result. For Real Madrid, 4-9 they beat Granada. Our first fear 3-0, then 3-2. I can't say I Madrid won drop point again, but Madrid see the top. Barcelona don't go second. Like we mentioned, Atletico go Valladolid, they no fit pick a victory. Nigeria that one, so they that lose for house to get Getafe. I don't expect that result. Getafe go pick Bilbao. Bilbao will start season like say they won't really challenge for whether na top 4 for the title. Now they don't lose plenty matches. Now I want to say that Getafe will be there. For inside England, where the big shocker happened, where the Saturday na first start am. Saturday na first scatter. People begin tear ticket. Even Harry Kane, no people like us captain for our fantasy. Inosigo 3-0 na Brighton beat them. And I good one for Brighton, and for Connolly, 19-year-old striker, scored 2 goals against Spurs. Spurs chop 7 for Wednesday, chop 3 again for weekend. That one can be 10 goals. For Chelsea, good one for Lampard. He don't understand this team well now. They beat Southampton 4-1. Arsenal 1-0, they beat Bournemouth. Worst Bournemouth side I don't see in years. Arsenal still struggle to beat them 1-0. Newcastle beat Man U 1-0. Like you say, no be shocked. Man U lose again. And the biggest result for the weekend now, Wolves will beat Man City for inside 80 yard. And Adama Traore, Nuno Espirito Santo he get City number. He beat them before season start for EFL Cup for inside either na China, been at Dubai, they play am. Now I don't beat them again. And Liverpool, they give them penalty last minute. Sadio Mane, see how the thing swing. He don't swing 8 points now to Liverpool. Imagine say they draw and City win. Therefore, the 5 points they take Gap City for reduce. But now so it dey happen. Now so it go dey stretch. Before you know, maybe by December, we don't carry league title to give Liverpool.
All right, thank you very much, Kingsley, and to all of you join us on Monday edition of Sports here on Top Niger FM 102.7. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Sports Vision NG. My name is Nabode Bruno. Make una get better day. Now, good morning.